Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another 3D printing video, so let's get cracking. Friends, we are back with the Mingda Magician X2 Cura 5.3 run, and today we're going to do the XYZ calibration cube. I'm going to change from extra fast to just normal, which is 0.15. We will keep the rest of these settings, the 200. All of this has been working with my filament. I am going to continue to use skirt and 4 lines just like it normally said. Let me insert my SD card in the reader. And now let's save it to the removable disk. And hit eject and take it to the 3D printer. Alright, so of course we are going to do print. We're going to go from that SD card, and then we want that new XYZ calibration cube, and we want to hit confirm. I want to speed it up, so I'm going to go to the heating, and let's increase the nozzle, and when we go back, both will be heating at the same time, so the print starts faster. Alright everybody, let's see just what we made. Alright, so this little booger was hanging on when I started and I couldn't get it out there fast enough. As you can see though, this is pretty sweet and this filament is absolutely amazing. Let's put it on the calipers. Alright, so we are at 0, 0, and let's first measure X. It is showing X as 20.3. Let's check Y. Y is at 19.99. And let's check Z. 20 even. So I've got a little bit of room to work on this to get it dialed in perfect, but that is pretty darn reasonable for out of the box. Friends, of course, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.